Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at using the Homestyler software. You just navigate to it on your web browser by going to homestyler.com. We're going to start by signing in, and it's really important that you choose the sign in with Google option and you sign in with your @labarthighschool.co.uk email address for you to get the full functionality. Once I've signed in, I'm just going to go to my little icon and choose My Designs, and I'm going to start by creating a new design. Now, I'm using Homestyler on a laptop using my Chrome web browser, but you can do this on a PC, a Mac, an iPad, or a tablet device. So I'm in a new file and I'm going to start by drawing my rooms. First of all, I'm going to change my wall settings. And first of all, I'm going to go to my preference and I'm going to change from feet to millimeters. I'm going to make sure my autosave is the quickest time, it's every 5 minutes. You can see I've got some other design settings, so I can change my background in terms of the 2D view and 3D view. I'm going to look at my wall settings, and you can see the standard wall height is 2800. I'm going to change it to 2400, and I'm going to change my wall thickness just to be 250, so it's more round than the 240 millimeters, and I'm going to click Save. At that point, I can start by drawing my rooms. I've also got options to add in doors and windows, and later on we'll look at the model library of how we can add in different features like kitchen and bathroom fixtures and fittings. I'll start off with my room. I'm going to click and drag to get my room position. You can see as I move my mouse, or if you're doing this on a tablet or an iPad, when you move it you can just click and drag with your fingers. You can see the numbers increasing for both height and length. I'm going to get it as close to being 4 meters wide and 5 meters tall as I can. And I'm going to click. I'm then able to edit these sizes just by clicking on the different walls. So I can change my length of the room and I'll change my width of the room as well. Once I've got that in there, I can start looking to draw the other rooms around the house. Once I've got my rooms, I'm able to go and tweak or adjust those sizes if I want to get them to be more round numbers, just by clicking on the different walls. If I've got two walls together, I can double click and make them one wall. By making them one wall, it means that when I drag the wall, all the rooms move together. Once I've got my rooms all in position and I've sized them the way I want, I can start adding my doors. I'll do that just by dragging them into position. With each door, I can change some settings down at the side. I can also flip them around to open in the direction that I want. So I'm going to have these open towards the walls. Next come my windows, drag them into position, and then I can use the little grab handles to change the width. Once you've got the basics of your room in position, what you're able to do is then add in some models from the model library. It contains lots of different items and you can use the search option to find things you need. So in this case I'll search for a toilet and I can then drag that in and use the little rotate option to move that round to be in the right position. There are thousands of models in the model library. You'll be able to use that to update this to make a more complicated model plan and start adding in all the features that are going to match up with your own floor plan for your own house.
This floor plan is for the lilac wined house that we've looked at in previous lessons. Your task will be to create a floor plan of your own house, the one that you've previously drawn with pencil and paper, so you're now creating a digital version.